Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today I'm going to present my research which I conducted recently in my master's study in Ahliya University. It's about improving business intelligence using cloud computing, Ministry A case study. So I'm going to talk about a background of the ministry, problem statement, what is the research objective, the BI assessment, the proposed solution, and finally the conclusion and future work. So the ministry is one of the largest ministry in Kingdom of Bahrain with over than 20,000 employees. There are 21 general directorates. Each general directorate has also different directorate distributed among different locations in the Kingdom of Bahrain. One of the strategic objectives of the ministry is to deploy high technology and advanced system, but unfortunately there is no central IT management in the ministry. I will skip that. So the cloud BI is a new concept where the organization can pay for the analytic tools as a cloud services. The cloud BI environment can be hosted by different cloud services and the user can pay for their service. The problem is in the ministry is they rely heavily on the ICT for almost every service, and this requires to have a huge, dynamic, and fast-growing IT environment. Ministry now is concerned about the time, the energy, the skill, the effort, the budget, and other resources to achieve its objectives. There is no unified data center or data warehouse in the ministry. BI solutions are limited to simple data dashboard and report. There are many information systems in the ministry working as a single unit with no integration, and also there are huge demands on providing different reports. So the research objective is to assess the maturity of the current BI solution in the ministry by answering the following question. What are the problems related to BI in the ministry? How we are going to improve BI? How the cloud will be used to assist such improvement? And what are the challenges associated with such adoption? The output was a solution for improving BI in the ministry using the cloud. So the assessment technique, first, an exploratory research was done through literature review. A survey also was used to assess the maturity level of BI across different IT departments. Finally, interviews had been used to confirm the survey results. I will move to the solution. So after the assessment, problems related to BI categorized into 4 categories. BI tools, problems related to integration, to data warehouse, and data. So the general architect or the proposed solution is that the BI solution will need some component in order to run on the cloud, which we need infrastructure, we need a platform, we need BI application and client. Cloud BI model will have component. Some component will be on premises, while other will be offered in the cloud. The data center is the main component because it is supplying the infrastructure needed by the cloud. So the component required for the cloud BI environment is infrastructure, platform, BI application, and clients. So other study stated that the cloud will be feasible, or the cloud BI will be feasible if all the data will be moved to the cloud, but due to the sensitivity of the information in the ministry, the proposed solution suggests that the data will be on premises while the BI will be offered in the cloud. So this is the proposed solution. I will have the data center on premises. It is supplying all the infrastructure needed for the cloud services. The BI will be offered as a service in the cloud. BI will be divided into 3 different layers. The data layer, which is concerned about the operational data in the ministry, how the data warehouse will be designed. the logic layer will be where BI tools exist, and finally the access layer. So all the problems I identified through the assessment, I find some solution in the cloud. Like, for example, there is no integration before, so to ensure good integration, we should use ETL tools, but we have to define like the integration architecture, the data extraction from different data sources, the data transfer, and data loading into the data warehouse. This is the data warehouse design. We have to extract the data from different information systems, different data sources, and then we have to move it to the data warehouse through different steps. And finally, the data mart will be accessed through the cloud. So the challenges facing this solution is first the security. For security, we have to address the network security. All the data traveling through the network should be encrypted. VPN connection can be also used from the ministry to the cloud. Data should be encrypted in the database. The other challenge is high volume of data. We should use data compression technique, and we could minimize securing data warehouse. So as a conclusion, the top management in the ministry are aware of the potential of having a better BI solution in place in the ministry. The main problems had been identified, and the solution has been proposed. We're having 3 different layers, and main challenges also had been discussed. So as a recommendation, I recommend that the ministry should have a future plan to adopt cloud computing. They should have also a clear IT strategy in place to integrate the cloud BI in the ministry. And also, we should have a project management principle followed in this adoption. Future work, I suggest conducting a study to address having a government cloud that serves all the ministry and business sector, building a large data center in the ministry that has the ability to host external clients, and what is the opportunity and challenges for adopting cloud computing. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarah.